Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best fiberglass shower cleaners, 2026, chosen for their effectiveness, ease of use, and ability to protect delicate fiberglass surfaces. Fiberglass showers require non-abrasive yet powerful cleaning tools to remove soap scum, hard water stains, and grime without scratching. These products include electric scrubbers, extendable brushes, drill attachments, and specialized scrub pads designed for bathroom use. With trusted brands like Puffdom, Moku Home, Drill Brush, Mr. Clean, and Rotoscrub, this lineup ensures your shower stays spotless and safe. Let's explore the top 5 fiberglass shower cleaners that combine performance, convenience, and durability. Number 1. Puffdom Electric Spin Scrubber. The Puffdom Electric Spin Scrubber is a cordless cleaning tool designed for versatility and efficiency. Featuring 2 speeds and a battery-level display, it ensures consistent performance during cleaning sessions. Equipped with 6 replaceable heads, it tackles fiberglass showers, sinks, and windows with ease. The ergonomic design reduces strain, while the powerful scrubbing action removes soap scum and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for homeowners seeking convenience and thorough cleaning. Puffdom's engineering excellence makes this scrubber a reliable choice for maintaining fiberglass showers, offering durability, flexibility, and effective cleaning power in one compact device. Number 2. Moku Home 3-in-1 Extendable Shower Scrubber. The Moku Home 3-in-1 Extendable Shower Scrubber is built for convenience, featuring a long 58-inch handle that reaches high walls and deep tubs. Designed with non-scratch bristles, it safely cleans fiberglass surfaces without damage. The 3-in-1 functionality allows users to switch between brush heads for different cleaning tasks, making it versatile for bathrooms, kitchens, and tiles. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to maneuver and store. The ergonomic design reduces bending and stretching, making it especially useful for seniors or those with mobility challenges. Moku Home delivers a practical solution for homeowners seeking safe, efficient, and versatile cleaning for fiberglass showers. Number 3. Drill Brush Attachment Set for Bathroom Cleaning. The Drill Brush Attachment Set is a powerful cleaning kit rated 4.5 stars by over 66,000 users. Designed to attach to standard drills, it transforms them into high-powered scrubbers. Featuring multiple brush heads, it tackles tubs, tiles, showers, and grout with ease. The durable bristles remove soap scum and grime effectively, while being safe for fiberglass surfaces when used properly. Compact and versatile, this kit is praised for saving time and effort during deep cleaning. Drill Brush's reputation for quality makes this set a dependable choice for homeowners seeking powerful, customizable cleaning tools for fiberglass showers and other bathroom surfaces. Number 4. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Shower and Tub Scrubber. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Shower and Tub Scrubber is a trusted option for non-abrasive cleaning. Featuring foaming magic erasers, it removes soap scum, hard water stains, and grime without scratching fiberglass. The starter kit includes 1 scrubber and 2 erasers, making it easy to start cleaning right away. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's designed for comfort and efficiency. The lemon scent adds freshness, while the all-in-one design simplifies bathroom cleaning. Compact yet effective, this scrubber is praised for its ease of use and reliable performance. Mr. Clean delivers a practical solution for homeowners seeking safe, non-scratch cleaning for fiberglass showers. Number 5. Rotoscrub 7-Pack Drill Brush Set. The Rotoscrub 7-Pack Drill Brush Set is designed for deep cleaning across multiple surfaces, including fiberglass showers. Scratch-resistant and versatile, it includes 7 brush heads for tackling soap scum, tile, sinks, and even outdoor furniture. Compatible with standard drills, it provides powerful scrubbing action that saves time and effort. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the variety of brushes allows customization for different cleaning tasks. Compact and efficient, this set is praised for versatility and performance. Rotoscrub's innovative design makes it a strong choice for homeowners seeking reliable, multi-purpose cleaning tools that protect fiberglass surfaces while delivering thorough results. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.